The blind spot trick. Right now, each of your eyes has a blind spot where the optic nerve connects, but you don't see a black hole in your vision. Your brain just fills in the gap with whatever it thinks should be there. It's like Photoshop happening in real time. The invisible nose. Your nose is always in your field of view, but your brain decides it's not important, so it edits it out. You only notice it if you concentrate, and then suddenly it feels impossible to ignore. Motion blur removal. When you move your eyes quickly, the world should blur like a shaky camera. Instead, your brain erases that blur and stitches together a smooth image. You never see the chaos, just the polished final product. The color trick. Colors don't exist outside your brain. They're just interpretations of wavelengths of light. That means red or blue aren't properties of objects, they're creations of your mind. Your brain literally paints the world. Hearing words that aren't there. Sometimes, your brain fills in missing sounds so speech makes sense. It's like autocorrect, but for your ears. That's why you can understand someone even in a noisy crowd. Memory reconstruction. Every time you recall a memory, your brain rebuilds it from scratch. And in the process, it can change small details, making you believe things happened that never did. Your memory is less a photo album and more a sketchbook, seeing faces in random shapes. Ever seen a face in clouds, rocks, or toast? That's pareidolia. Your brain is so wired to recognize faces that it invents them even where none exist. It's your survival instinct gone wild. Time distortion. When you're bored, time drags. When you're excited, it flies. Your brain doesn't measure time perfectly. It bends it based on emotion and attention. That's why 5 minutes on a roller coaster feels shorter than 5 minutes in traffic. Dream logic. In dreams, impossible things feel completely normal. Flying, talking to strangers who look familiar, or bending physics. Your brain accepts nonsense as reality because the rational part of your mind is asleep. The prediction trick. Your brain is constantly predicting the future. What someone will say, where a ball will land, what's about to happen. Most of the time, it gets it right before you're even aware of it. You're not just reacting, you're predicting reality a split second ahead.